I got my pencil. Give me something to write on, man. Oh! Hi guys, welcome to Everybody Arts. I'm Mr. Matt, and today we're going to be making birthday cakes. We're going to be drawing birthday cakes. I'm going to be drawing some balloons and bubble letters for the words happy birthday. And you can use those to make your own birthday cards for your friends and family. I do this all the time for my kids. I would help them draw the balloon letters when they were little, and now they can do all that stuff. I draw the cake and the candles and the happy birthday and the balloons, and they would just color them in when they were really little. And it was a lot of fun, you know, anytime they had a friend with a birthday. So I just kind of passing that along to you because it's my birthday today that I'm making this. So happy birthday to me. But when you're watching it, it's probably not my birthday. Mr. Matt's old. Okay, let's start with the cake. I'm gonna draw this a little dark, but you guys draw it lightly, and then we're gonna go over it with our marker, and you can erase the pencil. That's why I say to draw it lightly for yourself. For me, I'm gonna draw it dark just so you can see it, okay? So we're gonna go like this. We're gonna draw an oval on top, okay? Then we're going to draw an oval that's almost exactly the same underneath. Okay, same width. They look like twins. And then we're going to draw a line here and a line here. And again, it's okay if they're a little scribbly. We're going to go over them with the marker, okay? I'm just going to erase some of this now so that you can see what we're doing, okay? This is going to be the top layer of the cake, just so you can get an idea of what we're doing here. See how that looks like the top layer of a cake already? If I erase that? Okay, now you get the idea. Now we're gonna make another layer of the cake, okay? And it's gonna go like this. And you're gonna kind of draw through that one, okay? Now they're oval. And again, you're gonna have to draw a little twinsy for it underneath. I'm scribbly. So that's good right there. And you draw a line going down like this, okay? And again, it doesn't have to, the lines don't have to be straight. I like drawing them a little bit on an angle. I like drawing things cartoony, but that's just me. And now, let me draw, I'm gonna erase some of my extra lines so that you can kind of see where we're at, okay? This line is not going to stay. This line's going to go away here too. And then you can kind of see how that's going to start looking like a cake, okay? There you go. If I leave all the lines, I think I'm going to confuse you guys too much. Let's go like that. Look at that. Ooh, pretty. Okay, there's your cake. Then I'm going to draw a little plate that this is sitting on so I can make a bigger one, bigger oval. Lots of ovals, okay? An oval right there. Now, I like to spin it around. Everybody has a natural arc to their wrist when they're drawing. And I probably said this already in my thing, but that's why I spin the paper when I draw, because I'm trying to get close to that natural arc when I'm drawing this. There you go. And sometimes plates have a little bit of an edge, so I'll just kind of draw a little bit of an oval on this and keep it on. That just makes it look more like a plate, okay? So we're going to draw candles. Doesn't matter how many. When I draw candles, you want to make sure that they don't all, if you just draw them with the same, like all at the same height and at the same place, they look weird. So we're not going to do that. I don't know how I draw that line. So I'm going to draw one here. And I'm not going to try to draw, and we're going to draw a little bit of a, you know what a parentheses, the parentheses looks like this. And you can draw like when you draw words in parentheses. hey, like that, like parentheses, you know. So we want the parentheses to be under this, and it's gonna make it look like it's smushing into the cake, see? And then you put a little bit of a curve on the top of that one, and then we're gonna put another one a little bit further down. In the parentheses, makes it look like it's getting shoved in the cake. They don't always have to be perfect. I like drawing very cartoony stuff. Now for the flames, I draw teardrops. A teardrop looks like this. Okay, that's a teardrop. Can you see that? But for the flames, I like to make the teardrops kind of curve a little bit at the top. That little curve makes it look like a little flame. See? Nothing too fancy. And then I also like to put a little bit of frosting on the cake, and we're gonna go like this. When it gets to the bottom of the cake right here, I know these have lines on the bottom, but we're gonna go over the line a little bit. First, we're gonna draw like, it's gonna look like little puffy clouds. All I'm doing is going like this. It's okay if you have little squiggles. You can make a lot of squiggles like this, however you wanna do it. You can draw little flowers. It's up to you. But I'm just gonna draw little clouds, little squiggles like this, see? And I'm gonna have it just go over the edge and just under that little line, okay? It's gonna make it just feel a little bit more kind of 3D, I think. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom. And then it goes on here. And that's my cake. Now, I'm gonna use marker on this to finish it up, and then I'll erase it, and we'll probably go through this kind of quick. So I'll speed this up really quick when I'm doing this. Oops, kind of made a mistake there. It's okay, it's a cake. Cakes are wobbly. I don't mind that I did that. I'm gonna leave it alone. It adds character. It's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. What do you think? You like that? I like that a lot. Here's the balloons. Okay, balloons are just like upside down teardrops. They're like this, except at the bottom, they have a little triangle. Okay, and then you take, it's a upside down teardrop, little fat one with a triangle at the bottom, and then you go like that. I usually just use my marker to do it because they're so easy to do. It kind of doesn't make sense to do them, especially with the string, because then you have to keep erasing, and you don't want to follow that along with your marker. Balloons are real easy to draw. A fat upside down teardrop with a triangle. You don't want them all aiming or floating in the same direction, do you? Nah, triangle. But here's the other thing, to put like little highlights on them. There you go. There's your balloons. I like the balloons. They're fun. So there's your cake and your balloons and your candles. You can put little decorations on your candles, little stripies. You can put colors in those. But I usually don't. And that's it. There you go. Now I'll show you how to do the happy birthday stuff. When you do bubble letters, excuse me, like I will write happy happy like this, and I'll try to do bubble letters. Now, when I do bubble letters, I usually try to just do the outline. I try to make a little bit of a bubble outside those letters. I try to make those inside a happy little bubble, okay? When I was a young boy in grade school, all the girls were really good at making bubble letters. You just have to make everything kind of round, and I put a little bump on the inside of that. All the girls were awesome at it. I said, show me how you make those bubble letters. They're like, you can't do that, you're a boy. Boys don't make bubble letters. And I tried really hard. And I got pretty good at it, but not as good as the girls. And then I tried to make them overlap sometimes, like the two P's right here. And this Y. But see how I'm trying to keep those inside of the like the letters that I drew. I try to keep those inside of that bubble. Same thing with birthday. I'll write birthday underneath real quick. So let's see. See, I'm adding a little bit of a hump on the top, like I would if I was doing a different type of letter. I've done these so many times that I've gotten used to drawing them a certain way. Okay, can you see that? Yeah, the I is kind of behind the B, and that R is going to be over here, and that T is going to be right here. There's that H. And this can go up here. It's great if they touch, I think, actually. I think it looks cute when they touch. I'm going to put a little hump on the top of that A just like that. Here. And there's that last Y. See that? Now, again, if I... How's that look? It's cute, and then you color it in. Again, you can do that however you want. I still am not as good as the girls were in grade school at making those, but I still like doing it, and they look really good when they're colored in. So, there you go. Guess what? That's it. That's all there is to it. I just wanted to show you how I drew cakes and bubble letters and balloons, and you know how you can use them for making cards or anything really. I like doing how to draw videos. I got to do a lot more of them. That was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoy it. You know, draw some cakes, put them on Instagram with hashtag mrmattarts, and I'll check them out. All right. You guys have an awesome couple weeks. Be great to each other. Enjoy life, and I will see you very, very soon. Love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.